Hello guys, welcome to the Fusion 360 exercise number 4. Today we will be making this 3D shape. Let's go into the Fusion 360 interface. So yeah, let's make a rectangle of 50 by 70 first, which has a height of 60 mm. Create sketch, select the top plane, R for rectangle, press R for rectangle, and make 70 by 50 mm. Enter. Finish sketch, select this profile and press E for extrude, and which has a height of 60 mm. Okay, the rectangular box is complete, so we have to make a cut out which has a 20 mm, 15, 15, 13, 30 mm height and 40 mm in the center. Okay, select this profile and create a sketch. Let's make a center line first. In the center line, the Fusion 360 software will snap like this, and the triangle part will icon will appear like this, and press here and here. So 20 mm front means 10 mm on the one side. Press OK. 15 mm. Okay, on the side 40 mm. 40 means 20 mm from the midpoint, so 20 mm is already 20. 10 mm gone, we need to go 10 mm further. Okay, so sorry, L for line from here, let's say 20, no 10 mm. Okay, and which has a height of 15 mm. Okay, and close this profile. Yeah, so we need to mirror this object lines. Select this line, second, third and fourth, and mirror line should be the center line. I press OK. Finish sketch. Okay, now press E for extrude and select this profile and this profile. So go to the negative direction so that the operation will be cut out, and here you can see, press OK. So yeah, so our 3D shape is ready. You can compare it with the photo image here. So this is our exercise number 4.